today we are going to be talking about a book by Marie Kondo called Spark Joy. And these are my thoughts as a professional organizer. Alright, let's start with what I didn't like. She mentions in her book that you can tidy once and for all, and that really confused me. She defines tidying as discarding and organizing. That is not a one and done thing. If you continue to bring things into your home, you will continue to find things that you can discard. And as your life situation changes, you will be bringing in more things, you will be changing around. Namely, having a baby. You will have a bunch of baby things, and you will have to adjust your life accordingly.
You want me to remove her from the room?
No.
She's so cute right now.
I know. As your life changes, you will need to reorganize and declutter the things that no longer have a purpose. Things that no longer have a purpose in your life. And I think that it can be really hard on people who have that mentality that they just have to declutter once and then it all be done. But they can still be bogged down with all the clutter in their life. I find myself a very minimal person, but I still every month find a bag or more worth of things that I can declutter out of my home. So the last thing I do not agree with Marie Kondo is her idea of folding everything. I'm sure folding things really helps some people, but it's not for everyone, and it's not for me. I really like hanging pretty much everything except for undergarments and pants. I hang up t-shirts, I hang up pajamas, I hang up everything. And that works for me and my lifestyle and my closet, but folding everything just isn't practical for everyone. Alright, and now we get into the things that I really, really love and I will take away from the Marie Kondo method and implement in my own life and as I help other clients. So number one thing is thanking the item before discarding it. This can help put your mind at ease as you get rid of something, even if it's a little bit sentimental to you and has a story behind it. Just thanking the item for being in your life and being a part of who you are becoming. Ask if the item sparks joy. And this is a little bit difficult, so let's ask this in a different way. What doesn't bring you joy? Okay? Is it that DIY project that you have on the kitchen counter that every time you look at it, you think in the back of your mind, ugh, I have to finish that. But do you have to finish that? Wouldn't it be easier to just toss it out or donate the rest of the items if you're never going to finish it? If you are, great, then finish it. Or that item from a friend that you no longer have any communication with for various reasons, and every time you look at it, you just have this sinking feeling, and maybe that should spark you to pick up the phone and text your friend. But if you don't want to do that, pass along that item. It's not worth it. If there are items in your house that don't bring you joy, then why keep them? If you have an item of clothing that you never have an occasion to wear, make an occasion. Or wear it around your house. Who says you can't dress up while you're just doing chores around your house? Because if you love this piece of clothing and you never have an occasion to wear it, make an occasion and clean your house in it. Or just sit around. You know, you do you. And that is important because the items we have should have a purpose. And lastly, tidy your own stuff first. Marie Kondo talks about how when she was growing up, she was always trying to organize and declutter for her family. And for anyone who has that experience with family, who they're living with, and they're trying to get them to clean up and declutter, it can be really challenging. If you purpose to clean and declutter the items that you own, everyone around you will see how freeing it is for you to have only the stuff that you love and the things that bring you joy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please go check out my Marie Kondo closet makeover right here. Thanks, bye!
You have the good ideas. Now just put them into words for the camera, dear.
Oh.